Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So I'm happy to be back. I've been gone for a few days, most of the week actually. Zizi's here. Wyatt's here. Can you say hi to everybody? You're being goofy. Yeah. So it was a very, very busy work week for me, and it is finally the weekend, and I'm super excited to get another video out for you guys. And today's an easy one. I have a FabFitFun. Look at Wyatt. I have a FabFitFun unboxing for you guys today. I always love FabFitFun. It's a lifestyle subscription box that comes out seasonally. And I love these boxes. They're always filled with super usable and fun and creative items. $49.99 a season. And it's usually filled with, the value of this box is usually $200. And I get super excited every time I get these boxes because there's always fun things in it. So I don't really pick up on what the theme might be this time. It looks like cactus, right? But very pretty. And let's dig in. So this is the Spring 2019 box. You always get, you guys see Wyatt. He's like already like digging into this box. He wants to see what's in here. Just in case it might be a bark box, right? Just in case. He's too funny. So you always do get a magazine in here. This always explains what's what's in the box. Wyatt. All right, so Wyatt might be the one doing the unboxing today. Stop. You get a magazine. It usually explains all the items that are in here, so we'll dig into that in a minute. I see I did get a gift card for HelloFresh, which I have not tried yet, so you guys have to let me know if this is worth trying. This gift card is for $50. It's a $50 gift card, $25 off your first 2 deliveries plus free shipping. So let me know if I should check out HelloFresh. I have not done that yet, but it feels like it would make my life a little bit easier. Okay, so this is what the box looks like before Wyatt and I dig in here. Are you going to help me? Are you going to help? Okay. Cena's not as interested yet. And usually you do get all full-size products in here. Wyatt. Wyatt. Stop, honey. Okay. All right. Let's do this. First up is, this looks like a pretty necklace. Check this out. It says the 2 Bandits, designed with love in San Francisco. Let's check this out. It's just a necklace, Wyatt. Wyatt's passing it up now and moving on. Look how pretty that is. You guys can hopefully see that. Very, very pretty. It is plated. It does look like a necklace here. Let me go get it. It gives instructions on caring for plated jewelry, so. I can get this out and show you. So that is very, very pretty. You guys can see that. Very pretty. I like that. Very pretty. I like that. That's very pretty. Okay. That's the first item. Next up, measuring spoons. Giadzi measuring spoon. Oh, this is by Giada De Laurentiis, which you guys have probably seen her on TV before. So these are measuring spoons, so that's super useful. I'm always looking for measuring spoons in my kitchen, so I love that. So this spring, Jody brings her Italian flair to FabFitFun with a set of copper-plated measuring spoons from her new lifestyle platform, Giadzi.com. Spoon up one of Giadi's recipes in the FabFitFun Spring magazine. You'll be shouting molto bene in no time. So there must be some recipes in here as well. So that's very cool. I love that. I can show you guys what these look like. I'm always looking for measuring spoons. I have a drawer of them. I don't have them in any order right now. So check those out. So you get a whole set of them. Very cool. I won't take the time. I think you guys get the idea here. Very cool. And they're heavy too, so they're a nice quality. Very cool. Okay, next up, Tula Probiotic Skincare Purifying Face Cleanser. And this is a really great size. This is 6.7 full ounces. This probiotic gel-based cleanser removes dirt, impurities, and makeup gently and efficiently. Skin is left balanced, clarified, and prepped for skincare. Use morning and night. Massage into wet skin, and you rinse with water. So that is cool. I love this. This is a huge, huge size. I'm always looking for face cleanser. I go through this like crazy. So that is awesome. Dr. Brandt Skin Charging Science. Needles no more. No more baggage. Eye depuffing gel. So that is also very cool. And this is also a full size. So this is 0.5 ounces. So I guess that would be for right under here, right? Eye depuffing. Might be for on top too. If you wake up and you have a little puffing going on from the night before. Very nice. I think this is a lot of stuff for $49.99, guys. All right, what's up? What else is in here? Oahi, I mean, I always said that wrong. Leave-in conditioner. So this is hair care. OUAI. This is also a good size. This is 4.7 ounces. And I wonder if they have a, usually it is, Oe, is it? Oh, I know I'm saying it wrong. I'm so sorry. Obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties, enhanced heat. So the retail value of this bottle is $26. So the total value of this box, depending on, I guess, so it could vary. So depending on the selection of what you got in your box, could be between $230 to $314. So this was $26 if you buy it outright. This is $28. The spoons, $15. The Dr. Brandt Depuffing Eye Gel, $42. And the necklace, this necklace, let me find it, is $30. $30. So these seem reasonable pricing too. Nothing seems to be too inflated. So I think that's pretty good. What does it say about the necklace? Let me find it here. Simple yet elegant and iridescent necklace is a timeless piece to add to your collection. It does say, it gives you tips. So this is what I'm checking right now. So it does give you a page where it tells you about all the items that you could have got in your box. So it could vary. So not everyone gets exactly the same, but it would be something off of these pages. And you are supposed to get, I think it's around 8 items in your box for the $49.99 price. So very cool. Let's see what else I got in here because we're not done yet. There's more. And I will put my link down below if you would like to start getting FabFitFun. If you use my link, you'll get $10 off your first box. So that's even better, right? Okay, so next up is Champagne Charcoal Scrub. Exfoliant Champagne Eau Charbon. Okay. Detoxify, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin with this gentle body scrub. Buff away dead skin cells and absorb excess oils to reveal balanced and moisturized skin. And this is over 18 ounces. This is huge. So check that out. It says relax. That looks pretty cool too, and it feels very heavy. This is very cool. So this is valued at $24. Also seems reasonable to me. Very cool. And this says that it is formulated with charcoal and Dead Sea minerals. The Luxe and Gentle Body Scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. Cool. All right, what else is in here? What is this? Check this out. Oh, it says, show me your moo-moo. So this says on my paper here, just stepped out of the shower, planning a day of lounging, slip into this beautiful floral print robe, which features a removable belt and a high-low hem. And the value of this is $84. So let me see if I can get into this to show you what it looks like. Wyatt's interested. I can't get into it. It's like taped shut here. Wyatt, what do you think it is? You think it's doggy clothes? Look how pretty the pattern is. All right, so first of all, I think this pattern is beautiful. I love the colors, pink, green. I see the belt here, so it does have a belt. Pink, green, and white, so it's various shades of pink. Very, very pretty. It is just like a robe. The tie front. It's very pretty. Oh, did you guys hear Zena? She's so funny. That's very pretty. It has tans in here too. Yeah, that's a pretty little robe. This would be almost cute for over a bathing suit, right? A spa day. This would be nice for. Yeah, this is pretty. You might even be able to just wear this as a kimono, right? Very pretty. I like that. All right, I think we have one more thing in here. Yep, I have one more. I think it's sunglasses. I got Zena's attention now. Do you like sunglasses, Z? Yep. Sunglasses, says Quay Australia is the brand. What does this say here? Be sunny, stay shady is what it says right there. So let's check these out. I'm going the wrong direction. Check those out. What do you guys think? I like them. Those are very cool. Comes with a case. And they say these are Quay Australia Vivian in black smoke. These oversized aviators feature a black metal frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for no slip wear. And the value is $60. And the tip, it says check out page 19 to find out the best sunglasses for your face shape. So if these weren't the best sunglasses for my face shape, I would be in trouble. Oh, this is cute. It shows you to pick out what your best shape size, what the best shape is. Cool. So I thought this was a very fun box. I like all of this stuff, and I would use all of it, I think. There's nothing here that, you know, there's something that wouldn't be useful. And I like sunglasses that don't sit on my cheeks. I tend to have these cheeks, like, you know, chubby cheeks that stick out. And when I smile, a lot of times, like, my sunglasses move up and down. But these, I don't have that problem. So I could actually wear these big sunglasses and my cheeks aren't touching. So that's awesome. I really like them. So this was a really fun box. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. So please let me know what you think. Let me know what you thought of these items. Let me know what you think of the video. Please comment below. I am super behind on answering comments. I so apologize for that. I do plan to try to get back to it as soon as I can. It's been such a crazy, hectic few months here with work and life, but I do my best. I do read them all. I really, really appreciate it. So please, please, please comment below and let me know what you think. If you would be interested, Zena's getting excited. If you would be interested in checking this out, I will put the link down below and my referral information, and you can get $10 off your first box. So thanks so much for hanging out with us for a little bit. Please consider hitting that like button. I hope you hit that subscribe button and decide to join me and the and the sidekicks. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome, awesome day. Bye.